Cerita kita ada di bangku sekolah Spentik Makassar.
Halo semuanya, selamat datang di Bangku Sekolah Spentik. Kembali lagi dengan saya host kalian Gustin dan co-host.
Perkenalkan, saya Violet sebagai co-host dari podcast kali ini.
Dan hari ini kita ditemani oleh dua tamu undangan dari tempat yang sangat-sangat jauh ya. Perkenalkan, ada.
In English?
In English you can do.
Hello, my name is Maria. I'm from Orlando, Florida in the United States.
Hi, my name is Doug. I'm Maria's husband from the States also. We're here to visit Makassar for 6 weeks. We lived here 2 years ago, or 26 years ago for 2 years, and we're glad to finally be back.
Our topic, I guess.
Okay.
It's about a new program in Spentik. It's called Akur. Now, Akur is about like we're trying to stop our students to stop say bad words, to stop saying bad words because it's actually a big problem here. Actually,
Okay.
And we would like to ask a question: how do you react to, or how do you fix that? In America, for students who say bad words or, do bad examples to other students. How do you do that?
Well, a lot of times when I run into something like that, I'll say I don't use that kind of language with you. I appreciate if you don't use it with me. Just address it
Set
that way.
boundaries.
Yeah.
But Mrs. Moray, do you have?
That's a big problem in the United States. People can't seem to hardly speak without using bad words, and that's a really bad thing. And unfortunately, when they make movies, they use those too, and it becomes across the world, and it's really a bad thing. I think that the change has to come from inside people. That they have to change their heart. And then because what comes out of your mouth comes from inside your heart, and that comes out of your mouth. Actually, Jesus, when he was here, that's what he told people, because people were concerned about they shouldn't eat this or they shouldn't eat that. And he says, no, it's not what you put in your mouth that helps. It's what comes out of your mouth. That shows what's in your heart. So you need to have people change their heart, and then what comes out of their mouth will change.
Especially with the normalization of it all, and the movies that you said and everything, people
People really need to realize that
Yeah.
it is not a good thing to do.
And what about how can you control your emotions? Especially I'm pretty sure you've met a few teenagers, and you have a kid, and you have kids, right? Yeah. As teenagers, of course, and we're hitting through puberty, how do you exactly control emotions? Because, of course, we feel it all the time, and sometimes you could feel it all at the same time, So, how can you really, control it, I guess?
Well, I would say it's sort of the same thing, that it has to come from what's inside you. You change your inside, and then that shows on the outside. Changing your outside doesn't do as much as change from the inside.
Part of it also is understanding what emotions are. Emotions don't have to dictate our actions, don't have to make us do things. Our feelings are just our feelings. And so I've learned to, when I feel really strongly emotional, just to stop and not act at all, but to just wait for that emotion to pass and maybe meditate on something different, something positive, rather than allowing that to make me do something I don't want to do or will regret later. Because I can definitely sometimes have a hard time dealing with emotions myself.
So don't let the emotions swallow you and make you do
Right.
questionable things. Okay. All right, I think that should be the end. But before we end this, would you like to say a saying with us? It goes by, but it's Indonesian.
Sure.
If that is okay. Yeah, it goes by akhiri kata umpat, rajut kebersamaan. Can you do that?
Okay.
Can we
I
try
don't
it
think
first?
I can do that.
Lampa.
It's actually the long version of akur. So yeah,
Okay.
akhiri kata umpat,
Akhiri.
Akhiri kata empat.
kata umpat,
Kata empat. Oh, kata is word.
kata
Okay.
yeah. Umpat is bad word. Akhiri kata umpat. Stop saying bad words.
Oh, okay.
Akhiri kata
Umpat.
empat. Like
Raj-
number 4.
Yeah, umpat. Empat, but umpat.
Oh, like a 4-letter word. Yeah, in English for bad word, we say 4-letter word. It's a bad word. So that's probably where it came from. Kata empat.
Maybe. Oh, it could be the origin. Because we weren't really the one who made it.
Okay.
Ya, Pak Kaswadi. Rajut kebersamaan. Rajut kebersamaan.
Bersama.
Yeah, because usually when people say bad words, they usually say it to for a negative situation, and that usually leads to them separating. Yeah, but rajut kebersamaan. Yeah, sew it together. Our friendship, our bond.
Okay, very
Yeah.
good.
Can we try it together?
Yes.
Akhiri kata umpat, rajut kebersamaan.
Akhiri kata empat.
Rajut kebersamaan.
Rajut bersamaan.
Kebersamaan. Would you like to try it? Akhiri kata umpat,
Akhiri kata empat.
rajut kebersamaan.
Rajut kama bersamaan.
Are we ready, or would you like to try a few more times? It's fine. We
Okay.
have all the time in the world.
Akhiri kata empat.
Rajut
Rajut
kebersamaan.
kebersamaan. I'm trying to see it. Rajut.
Visualizing.
Rajek.
UT. UT.
Oh, Rajut
Yeah. Yeah.
kebersamaan. Okay. Akhiri kata empat. Rajut kebersamaan. Okay.
Can we do it? Are you ready?
Okay.
Do you know it?
Akhiri kata umpat, rajut kebersamaan.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
That's
Are we ready?
Lampa. Okay.
1, 2, 3. Akhiri kata umpat, rajut kebersamaan. Thank you so much, Mrs. Mariah and Mr. Douglas, for coming here today from your 7 months of traveling in Makassar. We hope you have a wonderful time here in Makassar and in Spentik. And I'm really, really sorry. We're really sorry if we said anything, or if from the session below any of the students said anything maybe out of line, offensive. We deeply apologize. We
Everything was
kind of
great.
came here unprepared.
Thank you for having us.
Yes.
Thank you for having us. Everybody's been great.
Yeah, and we really
It's been
appreciate
an unexpected
your-
pleasure.
Yes, thank you so much, and
Thank
we
you.
hope to hear from you again, maybe someday again.
Okay.
We'll make sure to follow your Facebook.
Okay.
Of course. Anyways, thank you so much untuk semuanya yang sudah menonton sampai akhir ini. I guess mudah-mudahan kalian bisa mengambil moral dari kedua orang-orang hebat yang ada di dekat kami sekarang. And yeah, dadah.
Wow, great. You
Oh my
girls
God.
did
Thank you so
great.
much.
Hey, Pat.
It kind of took some time.
Anda pintar. Pintar sekali.